Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a light roux. Start by measuring equal parts fat and flour into a small saucepan and heat over medium. Whisk continuously to combine evenly and prevent lumps while the mixture cooks. Watch the color closely. A pale golden hue signals a light roux ready to thicken sauces and soups without altering flavor. Remove from heat when achieved and cool slightly before adding liquids for best results. Choose a fat that complements your dish and matches your cooking method. Butter adds a rich, buttery note and makes a velvety roux for classic sauces. Neutral oils like vegetable or canola keep flavor subtle and allow higher heat before smoking. Clarified butter handles longer cooking if you need more time to reach the pale color while maintaining a clean taste and reliable texture for thickening. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep effortless, keep sauces sealed tight, and save cleanup time after simmering and storing leftovers. I use them to stash roux-based sauces without spills during transport. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a set if you want less mess, and now let's get back to the video. Keep the pan size appropriate so the roux cooks evenly and you can whisk comfortably. Moderate heat gives you control over browning while preventing burnt flavors that spoil a light roux. If small bits form, press them through a fine sieve later to rescue texture. Practice timing. Most light roux take just a few minutes and will give you consistent thickening power without changing the sauce's intended taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.